Let's make some classic bangers and mash. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're going to be parboiling our bratwurst, putting this on to low to medium. Once they are parboiled, we're going to be moving this and setting this aside just like so. Now heating up with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and giving this a nice sear on all sides. Very nice. Now we're going to be making our potatoes, taking 2 pounds of Yukon Go potatoes, putting in cold water, boiling this till the potatoes are al dente with some sea salt, just like so. Remove skin once ready. Very nice. Now, heavy cream, unsalted butter, milk. Cook on low till well heated, just like so. Using a potato ricer, we're going to be ricing these potatoes just like so. Then adding in our cream mixture, parmesan cheese, garlic, salt and pepper. Give this a nice gentle mix. And there we have it. Please do not overmix. We want this to be quite lumpy. Very nice. Now we're going to be taking unsalted butter, yellow onion, flour to make a nice roux. Saute till flour is cooked through and onions are sauteed. Adding in beef stock, Worcestershire, ketchup, Guinness Stout beer for a nice wonderful flavor. Cook till sauce has been thickened. Just a little bit of pepper and there we have it. Plate time. We're going to be serving this with Thorny Devil Grenache from Thistledown Wine, based out of Australia. Bouquet has raspberry, blackcurrant aromas complexed by gentle spice notes. Very nice. Medium full body laced with delicious core of sweet fruit that impacts pleasing structure. And there we have it. An amazing bangers and mash. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!